Good morning, students. Yesterday we have done exercise 10.1 of chapter Powers and Exponents. Today we will continue with it and we will do exercise 10.2. Now students, first question is using laws of exponents, simplify and write the answer in exponential form. Now first part, 3 raised to power 2 into 3 raised to power 4 into 3 raised to power 8. 3 raised to power 8. Now students, as in the last video we have done the laws. So we will apply the laws now. So as you know, law is x raised to power m into x raised to power n. Means base is x, power is m. And we are multiplying them, bases are same, powers would be added. Now here we will not apply in all the three. We will take 2 and then we will apply. Now first 2 we are, base is 3, power is 2. Base is 3, power is 4. So means when multiplication is there, powers are added. So 2 plus 4 and the third term will come as it is into 3 raised to power 8. You can keep this law in the bracket. Okay? Now 3, 2 plus 4 is 6 into 3 raised to power 8. Now again we will apply this law which we have written. So basis is 3 and powers is 6 plus 8 would be added. So what we got, 3, 6 plus 8 is 14. As in the question they have told to write in the answer in exponential form. So this is exponential form and we have got this answer. Now one more sum of the type division. If we continue with the second part, if you see in the second part it is written 6 raised to power 15 divided by 6 raised to power 10. Okay, now as you know, the second law of exponential form is if the powers are different and bases are same and in between which operator is a division, then powers are subtracted. Okay? In multiplication they were added, in division they are subtracted. So 6 raised to power, base is 6, 15 minus 10. So what we got the answer, 6, 15 minus 10 is 5. So 6 raised to power 5 is your answer. Okay. Now let us do one more sum. We will apply. Now I am doing the fifth part. Now students, fifth part if you see, it is written 5 raised to power 2. 5 raised to power 2 whole power is 3 divisible by 5 raised to power 3. Now if you see again one more law. Here the law is x raised to power m whole power n. If you remember yesterday we have done this law also. So what we will do, these two are multiplying. So m will be multiplied with n. So this law we will apply over here. So firstly we will solve this. So 2 into 3 is 6. 5. 2 into 3 is 6. Okay? Now again we will write the same operator 5 raised to power 3. Now when we are having, now again because it is another sum student. So when we are solving the sums in the test or in the exam, so what we have to, we always need to write, mention the law. So always better to write the law on one side. Okay. So we will mention the law again is equal to x raised to power m minus n. Okay. 5 raised to power 6 minus 3 is 3. So as the answer we needed in exponential form, so this is your answer. Okay students. Now we will do one more part, ninth part of this exercise, of this question number 1. Now students, ninth part if you see, ninth part it is written 2 raised to power 20 2 raised to power 20 division with 2 raised to power 15, 2 raised to power 15, and here multiplied by 2 raised to power 3, multiplied by 2 raised to power 3. So now students, first of all this bracket is, okay? So bracket we will solve this. Now division, again you can mention m division with x raised to power n, because division is there, powers would be subtracted. So 2 raised to power 20 minus 15, this law we have applied. Now it will come same into 2 raised to power 3. So when we subtracted 15 from 20, we got 2 raised to power 5 into 2 raised to power 3. Now we will apply the second law. We will write down the law. Okay? Don't write law 1, law 2. No one knows about it, but explain that law which you are writing. So it means 2, 5 plus 3. We got 2 raised to power 8 is your answer. I hope students you are understanding. Now let us do question number 2. Okay? Now here it is written, simplify and express each of the following again in exponential form. Firstly we have to solve it, and now we have to write down the answer in exponential form. So question number 2, first part if you see, it is written 2 raised to power 3 into 3 raised to power 4 multiply by 4 upon 3 into 32. Okay students, if this type of the sums comes, and what you can do, you can open it. So if you see, I am writing. Okay, 2 is how many times? 3 is times. So we have written 3 times 2. Now 3 is coming how many times? 4 times. So 3 we will write how many times? 4 times. And this 4 will come now upon 3 into 32. Now it becomes very easy for you to simplify it, solve it. So 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. Now the last number if you see, it is a even number. So last digit is 2, so it means it will be divisible by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. Again last digit is even, divisibility by 2, divisible rule. So 2 ones are 2 8s are, 2 ones are 2 4s are, now 4 ones are and 4 ones are. So what we are left with? 3 times 3 upon 1. Now as they have told to write down the answer in exponential form, so 3 is coming how many times? 3 times. So it becomes the number of times the repetition occurs, it becomes the power. So what is the answer? 3 raised to power 3 is your answer. Okay. Now let us do next part. Hanji students, now let us do question second part. I think it is little bit difficult for you, so let us do 5 raised to power 2, 5 raised to power 2 whole power 3 multiply 5 raised to power 4. Now this bracket is closed, divisible by 5 raised to power, I think it is written 2 or 3. It is written 5 raised to power 7. 5 raised to power 7. Now students, here we will, whatever we will be solving. So first this we are solving. So we will write down the law. Okay. M into N. In one line, just remember, always don't apply all the laws in one line. Start with do step by step, solve, apply one law at a time. So in this line we will apply this law. So 2 into 3 is 6 into, so others we will write as it is. 5 raised to power 4, we will keep it in bracket. Now division, this bracket is solved. Now this whole bracket it will remain. Okay. Now 5 raised to power 7. Now in this bracket we will solve now this bracket. So for this bracket we have to use, there is a multiplication sign. Bases are same, then powers are added. Okay. You can now 5, base is 5, power 6 and 4, 6 plus 4. Here it is division sign, it will remain outside. You can keep it. Take it. 5 raised to power 7 will remain same. Now 6 plus 4 is 10. Take it. Now division sign. So we will write this. Log is equal to powers would be subtracted. Take it. Now 5, 10 minus 7. What we got? 5 raised to power 3. As the answer we have to write down in exponential form. So 5 raised to power 3 is your answer. Okay students, so in this way you can solve some other parts also. If you find any difficulty then you can let me know. Now next question is written. Say true or false. Now okay, someone is saying to solve this 11 sum. So I will solve the 11 sum also for you. Now 11 sum, if you see students, what is asked in 11 sum? 4 raised to power 5. 4 raised to power 11 sum, 4 raised to power 5 into a raised to power 8, a raised to power 8, b raised to power 3 upon 4, 4 raised to power 5, 4 raised to power 2, 4 raised to power 5, again 5.
Into a raised to power 5 into b raised to power 2.
B raised to power. Is this so? Now students, let us try to solve this. Okay. Now if you see, these two terms are same. If we cancel, they can, because 4 into 4 into 4, and if we will cancel because both are same, so it will be cancelled. Okay. Now let us open this. We are left with once you can write. Okay. I will tell you in both ways. There are two ways for solving. Let us firstly solve in simple way. So a is coming how many times? 8 times. So let us write a 8 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take it? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now b is coming 3 times. Take it? Upon a is coming 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B is coming 2 times. Now students, simple thing, you have to reduce. Cut. 1 A say A, this A with this A, this A with this. Again we have left. Now B also we will reduce. B with this B, this B with this. Now what we are left with? We are left with A. How many times? 1, 2, 3 times. 3 times A. And B we have got only 1 time. So this is your answer. I will tell you another method also. So this is a simple way to solve. Okay. Now if as they have told not to as they haven't written anything to apply the law, then you can solve this. But if in exam it is written to apply the laws, then what you will do? Firstly, you have reduced. In both cases, you will reduce this. Okay. Now, in exam it is written that to solve the sum by using the laws. Now, here you will apply the law. Now, if you see a raised to power 8, a raised to power 5, you can separate them. You can write this way. B raised to power 3, B raised to power 2. Now, it is written in fraction form. Okay. So, you can write a 8 because plus and this. It is division. When 8, a raised to power 8, a upon 5, it means they are dividing. A raised to power 5. So what we have to do, we can apply this formula. Divided by a raised to power n is equal to, okay, if you want you can repeat or you can do the straight way also. ठीक है. Now it is a m minus n. Now we can, or you can straight way after this you can write, you can skip this also step, but if you want to write you can write 8 minus 5 and here 3 minus 2. ठीक है. So what you got, a raised to power 3, b 3 minus 2 is b1. So this is your answer when we are using the laws. Okay, I hope students you are understanding. Now question number 3. In question number 3 they have told to say true or false and justify your answer. हमें justify means we have to show whether it is true or false. So means we have to see the left side and right side. If it comes equal, then we can say that it is true, otherwise it would be false. 100 raised to power, it is written 100 raised to power 11. 100 raised to power 11. Now students, if you see left hand side what it is given, 10 into 10 raised to power 11. Okay, now students, if nothing is written it means it is 1. Okay, if nothing is written on the top it means it is 1. Now what is the base? Base is 10, power is 1 and 11. So if bases are same and multiplication operator is there, what we do, powers are added. So we will apply this law in here. So 10 raised to power 1 plus 11, what it becomes, 10 raised to power 12. Is it equal? Now see, it is written 10 raised to power 12. Okay. Now if you see right hand side, what is right hand side? It is given to you 100 raised to power 11. Are they equal? If you see 10 raised to power 12. Okay. So 10 raised to power 12 and 100 raised to power 11. Are they equal? Is it true or false? No, they are not equal. So left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So it is false. Okay. So in this way you can solve the few more examples. Now let us do another example, students. So then let us do second part. If second or third, tell me. Anji, second or third part? चलो second part करते हैं. Second part is written 2 raised to power 3. 2 raised to power 3 greater than 5 raised to power 2. ठीक है? Is it clear? Now what is left hand side? Left hand side is given 2 raised to power 3. 2 raised to power 3 means 2 is repeated how many times? 3 times. So what it becomes? Answer 8. Now see the left hand side. Left hand side, what is right hand side? What is right hand side given? 5 raised to power 2. 5 raised to power 2 means 5 is 2 times. Anji, is 25? It is written 2 raised to power 3 means 8 is greater than 25. Is it true? No, it is, because 8 is less than. Left hand side is not greater than right hand side. So it is false statements. ठीक है? ठीक है, so it is false. Okay, now let us do last part. I am doing the last fourth part. Now students, fourth part देखो. 3 raised to power 0, 3 raised to power 3 raised to power 0 is equal to 3 raised to power 0 is equal to what is written 1000 की whole power 2 0 है कि 2 है 1000 की power 0. Okay, here also. Now here students, as I have told you one law, anything whose power is 0 also always the answer is 1. Now left hand side, let us take left hand side, 3 raised to power 0, this law we will apply, answer is 1. Now right hand side is 1000 whose whole power is 0, again this law, answer is 1. So in both cases left hand side is equal to right hand side, so it is true. Okay, so in this way in exams you have to justify your answer, this way you can justify. Now students, the fourth question, it would be difficult for me to each and because video will become too long. So question 4, express each of the following as a product of prime factors in exponential form. So in the end we have to write the answer in exponential form, 192. So students, first of all better to learn the divisibility rules also. Last digit is even, so we will divide it to 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. Again last digit even, 2 2 4, 2 7. Now 3 का table. ठीक है? Don't take straight away 9 because it would be a composite number. We don't have to take the composite numbers. We have to take only the prime numbers. So 192. 192 is again a even number. 2 9s are 18, 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16. ठीक है? So keep on dividing with 2 because unless until we are getting the even. Now students, let us see how many times 2 you can write 2, this you can write. ठीक है? Again now you can start 1 2 3 4 5 6 times 2, 5 6 3 4 5 6 and 3. Now students, as the answer we have to write in exponential line. 2 is coming how many times? Here we are having 6 times, 3 4 5 6, and here we are having 2 times. So 6 plus 2 8, 2 raised to power 8 2, 3 raised to power 3 is coming here 3 times, 1 2 3, here it is coming 1 time, total 4 times. So this is your answer. So simple in exponential form we got. Now students, let us do, I think you can do the sum. Now question number 5 I am solving, students. Question 5, in the same way you can solve the other parts. Okay, solve the other parts also. Question number 5. Question number 5, in the first sum they have written simply to simplify. Simplify 2 raised to power 5 whole raised to power 2 into 7 raised to power 3, 7 raised to power 3 upon 8 raised to power 3 into 7. Okay students, this is the question given. So apply the laws. So firstly we will apply the law. Make your habit to write the law. X raised to power m whole power n is equal to x into m into n. Now here we will apply to 5 into 2 is 10. So only one time this one, 7. Now if you see 7 and 7 here, we can apply the law here and also here. Now let us see 2 raised to power 10 and 8. Now instead of 8, if you see 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. It means we can write 8 in power of 2, 2 raised to power 3. Can we write 8 is equal to 2 raised to power 3? Because if you take its prime factorization, so here I am using this law. 2 8 instead of 8 I am writing 2 raised to power 3 and its whole power. What is whole power, students? You have to see what some trick is base. to solve, because 8, as I have shown you here, 2, 2, 4, 4, 2 is 8, 2 is coming how many? 1, 2, 3 times. So instead of 8, I have written 2 raised to power cube, and this whole power it will come. Okay? Now into 7 and its power 7 raised to power 3. Now, okay, I have written separately. Okay? Now, why I have written, so that you can see that they are dividing. It means 2 raised to power. Now, here again you can apply this law which we have written. 2 raised to power 10. 3 into m into n. 3 raised to 2 raised to power 3 into 3 is 9. Now, here 7 raised to power 3. If nothing is written the power, what we can write? 1. Okay? Now, exponential form. If you see, if we are having this, it means they are dividing. And for division, you know, division powers would be subtracting. Okay? Now, here, if they are written 2 raised to power 10 upon 2 raised to power 9, it means 2 raised to power 9 is dividing this. So, 2 raised to power 10 minus 9. It would be subtracting. Now here this multiplication 7 3 raised to power minus, ये भी divide कर रहा है, that means 3 minus 1. So 10 raised to power 9, 10 minus 9 is 1, 2 raised to power. ठीक है? So it means 2 raised to power 10 minus 9 is 1, 7, 3 raised to power 3 minus 1 is 2. So this is your answer, students. So I hope you are understanding. Let me do one more part, last third part. Third part is 3 raised to power 8 into 10, 10 raised to power 5 into 25 upon 5 raised to power 7 into, check whether I have written correct or not, 6 raised to power 5. Here it is 3 raised to power 5. Okay. Okay, now students, let us solve this sum. Now if you see, I have written 3 raised to power 5, and here if I solve this, now instead of this 6, can we write 2 into 3? 6, or let us solve this. Now 3 is coming how many times? 5 times. So let us solve 3, 4, 5. 10 raised to power 5. It means 10 is coming 5 times. So into 25. Okay? Upon. Now 5 raised to power 7. 5 raised to power 7 means, chalo, 5 into 5. 2 times I have neglected. So what is, chalo, 5 7 times. 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now 6 raised to power 5, I am keeping 6. Chalo, 6 को भी 5 times. We have just opened 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. As I was not having the space, so I have written over here. Now students, let us see what we will do. Now we will cancel 5 ones are 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. Now 5 will be cancelled with this. 5 ones are 5 twos are 5 ones are 5 twos are 5 ones are 5 twos are 5 1 5 2 5 1 5 2. Okay. Now let us cancel this one. Now 6 we are having and we are having 3. 3 ones are 3 twos are 3 ones are 3 twos are 3 ones are 3 twos are. Okay. Now again we are having 2 more. 3 ones are 3 twos are 3 ones are 3 twos are. Now if you see twos we are having 1 2 3 4 5 5 twos, and here also 1, 2, 3. All will be cancelled. 2, 1, 2. This will 1, 2. 2 have cancelled. Third will be cancelled. 2 ones are 2 ones are. All have been cancelled. It means we are left with 1 upon 1. 1 upon 1 means what is the answer? Answer is 1. Now, bache, now as they have told us to write in exponential form, nothing. Only this is your answer. Okay. So, if they have written, if suppose if in exam it is written, write in exponential form the answer. So, you can write here 1 raised to power 0. It would be again, answer would be 1. So, this way student, you can solve the next exercise. Okay, so students, bye to all. We will meet in the next video.